I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
As stated by Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, that Toyota will be unveiling a new car, which will be powered by flex fuel, on 28th of September 2022. It will be the first flex fuel-powered vehicle in the Indian market, but till date the model is not revealed by Toyota, on which Toyota model, flex fuel-powered engine will be used. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari also said that flex fuel engines will be made mandatory in the coming days. At present 10% doping level with ethanol blended petrol is introduced, and all cars in Indian market is using this fuel without any kind of problem. By year 2023, 20% ethanol blended petrol will be introduced, then most new cars running on Indian roads might get damaged or difficult to run on 20% ethanol blended petrol. Normally a petrol pump have underground tanks of 20,000 liter capacity of up to 3 different types of fuel tanks. Now the question is, how the petrol pump is going to supply 4 different types of fuel in the coming days, which will be 10% ethanol blended petrol, 20% ethanol blended petrol, 85% ethanol blended petrol, and diesel from a single petrol pump. By year 2023, 20% ethanol blended petrol will be introduced, which means 10% ethanol blended petrol will be discontinued, and we have to purchase 20% ethanol blended petrol for our petrol cars, as till date cars manufacturing are selling petrol engine cars to the customers. As per news, Maruti Suzuki is going to launch E20 compliant cars by April 2023, essentially to meet the government target for the introduction of E20 fuel. Here comes the blow for the new car purchaser, especially for the petrol car. It does not matter if the car is registered for 15 years by paying tax for 15 years, because after 5 years, no petrol fuel will be available to run the present new petrol cars available in the Indian market, as in the coming years, probably by year 2025, flex fuel will replace all petrol cars on Indian roads. Think before purchasing a new petrol car, because it is your hard-earned money, and after 3 to 4 years, it will even be difficult or almost impossible to find a purchaser to sell an old petrol car, as petrol fuel will be replaced by E85 fuel, which is 85% ethanol blended petrol. Till flex fuel cars are introduced in India, it is best to run our old petrol cars, as with the introduction of flex fuel cars, in the coming years, petrol fuel will be replaced by E85 fuel,